Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to pair your earbuds XIAOMI OpenWear with your MacBook. You have to start by press one time at the Bluetooth button at the top, but if you don't have this icon, just go to the control panel and click at the Bluetooth here. Then go to the settings. And at the device list, now we need to pair them. So open the charging case. Inside the case we have connectional button. You need to press and hold connectional button until you will see that the LED lights start blinking. And as you can see, it starts blinking white, so we just enter to pairing mode, so we should see them at the device list. And you need to click connect near to them. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!